sweet. Moo Peacock follows with dancing feet. Sheep says, I'll knit a blanket for you. Peacock says, look, my feathers are blue. They walk together through fields so wide, wool and bright feathers shining with pride. Sheep gives a baa, Peacock says caw. Both laugh together with joy and awe. Morning to evening, through sunshine or rain, sheep and peacock are friends that remain. Morning to evening, through sunshine or rain, sheep and peacock are friends that remain. They walk together through fields so wide, wool and bright feathers shining with pride. Sheep gives a baa, peacock says caw. Both laugh together with joy and awe. Morning to evening, through sunshine or